Oh, hello there. Today we're making Korean spicy rice cake, and for ingredients we'll need onions,
fish cake, spring onions, and rice cake. That's it. Let's get the ingredients prepared. So I'm slicing my onions however I want, then put it on a plate. And next up we've got spring onions, also chop it to however you want, and then also put it on a plate. And we've got some fish cake, and you can also chop that to however you want. And that's the ingredients all prepared. Let's go and cook this. So we've got some heat, a medium-sized pan, and I'm going to put 1.5 cup of water. And once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to put 1 large tablespoon of chili paste and dissolve that in. Then I'm putting 1 large tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 large tablespoon of rice syrup. But if you haven't got this, you can use honey. And then 1 tablespoon of sugar, some pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, then all the ingredients that we prepared and the rice cake, and just mix that all in and bring it to boil. Then at this stage you can taste the sauce. I added 1 extra tablespoon of chili powder, but if you think it's too spicy for you, this is optional. And I also added 1 cube of minced garlic. And just bring that to a boil until the rice cakes become chewy and soft. Then as decoration and garnish, I put boiled eggs, cheese, and some more cheese, and then some spring onions and sesame seeds, and voila, that's all done. Ooh, look how amazing this looks. Ooh, I'm craving this again. This dish is my absolute favorite Korean dish, and I love it. It's delicious. You really got to try this. And I think the cheese makes it creamy but spicy, but at the same time it's just really good. You have to try it. For drinks, I'm having this iron brew. It was my first time trying it actually. I really liked it, but I think I do prefer Lucozade. What do you guys prefer? Dessert, I'm having this macadamia nut brittle Haagen-Dazs ice cream. Which I am struggling to open. There you go. And is it just me, or do you guys get confused which end is the eating end? Seriously, let me know please. Oh, and this ice cream was so yummy, and I think it's because I had something spicy beforehand, but yeah, it had like caramel bits and the nutty bits. It was really good. Look at that caramel oozing out. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!